Earlier this month, Kenyans filed their tax returns for the year ended December 2024. So if you already did and you got a tax receipt, there are three options. You either got a 00 balance, which means you already paid all the taxes you're supposed to pay, or you got a positive number, which means that amount is what you owe KRA for. That will mean you underpaid your taxes. And if you got a negative response, it means that you overpaid your taxes, meaning KRA owes you a tax refund. There are many reasons why you will get a negative number, meaning that you have overpaid your taxes. And some of the reasons include: number one is either your payee was computed wrongly. So as you're paying your payee, the calculation was more than you should have paid. Number two is if you are paying for life insurance policy, or you are paying for a mortgage, as well as contributing to a registered retirement scheme, you are owed some tax reliefs which may not have been applied, meaning KRA owes you the refunds for these reliefs. Number three is if you are someone who pays withholding tax, it could be that the amount that you're actually supposed to pay was less than what was already withheld. So because withholding tax is not at the final amount, so after the calculation, it could be what you are supposed to pay was less than what had already been withheld, resulting in that discrepancy, meaning you are supposed to get a refund. Also, number four, where you might have the negative figure is if you are a person with a disability, you are supposed to get reliefs which may not have already applied. How do you claim your money from KRA? The process of claiming your tax refunds from KRA is pretty straightforward, but you need to do it within 5 years. Number one is you log into the iTax portal, and number two, you select the tax profile. For most people, it's the income tax that's usually the one that they are claiming, but it could also be VAT if you are registered for VAT. Number three is you confirm your tax details, and this you do by filling a tax refund form, which will also include details about your bank account where the money should be deposited once KRA has approved the refund. Number four is to provide the reasons why you are getting this refund. So as I mentioned, some of the reasons could be your payee was not computed well. You may have been servicing a mortgage or life insurance or education policies that give you a relief. So you give those reasons. And number five, you provide evidence to support your claim. So for example, if it was an issue with your payee, you provide the P9 form. If it was withholding tax, you provide what was already withheld, and you provide details of the actual returns that you are supposed to pay. If you are servicing a mortgage, you provide those kind of details and how much was the interest, etc. And you click submit, and KRA will be able to process your claim and get back to you on the status. Money254.co.ke has written more about these topics, and we have a partnership with Lua, which is an AI assistant that can help you get automated news updates, as well as other things like budgeting. It can help you with research, with school homework for your kids, and other things. Click on the link provided to chat to Lua.